Hey guys, Dr. Dominic HP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at the Waterways during a Pulte open house event. But we're gonna be checking out a Stonebrook real quick. This plan is super awesome. It can be 4 bedrooms to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms to 5 baths. Unbelievable plan, let's check it out. Here we go, we're walking down. I wanted to bring you outside to show you the outside porch and everything. And I love the balcony they got up there. It's really nice. We're gonna go check all this stuff out, but come on, let's go check this home out. I was very impressed. I've never done this one before, which is surprising because I've done a ton of Pulte houses, but not done this one yet. And of course, a lot of this stuff is inspired. Some of these things are not options. So come on in, buddy. There we go. All right, but first, I want you to check out this awesome office right here. Gosh, I love the way this is set up. As you look around, you can see they got the LVP floors right here. You got a wide open space to do your office-y stuff. Maybe you could put a workout place right here if you like looking outside and working out, but it comes with these French doors that are glass, but I know this is, like I said, an option. And then we come into, look at this wide open space right here. I mean, come on, quartz countertops right here, stainless steel appliances. They got a double oven in here. A lot of this stuff could be options for the appliances, okay? And the sinks and the quartz and all that stuff. You get to come to the design center and pick all the stuff out yourself if you're building from scratch, so I love that. Corner pantry right there. If you've never seen a corner pantry, here it is. A lot of space. I love the corner pantries. You see my other videos, you know, that's one of my favorite things. And the cool thing about this one, which I didn't, you know, some of the other Pulte homes have these options, but they got this little office space right here, which is really neat. And then the laundry room goes back here. Here's the garage, little mud area, but we're not gonna go in the garage. It's a 2-car garage, and then they turned it into an office. All right, as you watch through this kitchen, you can see this dining area right here. Even that front office could be a dining area if you wanted to. Let's open this wide open space right here. This one's lucky. You can still look out at the lagoon. This one probably won't be for sale for a while, but love this. And let's go to the primary bedroom. Once again, they give you the inspiration. These light fixtures and the beams up there are not something you get with this home, but wide open space in here. You fit a king size bed and the end tables. Love that. And of course you get a view out to the back out there. And then we got this awesome bathroom. Quartz countertops. You got the separate tub, separate shower, all glassed in, which is great looking. I love the way it looks. And this is kind of like a bronzish kind of looking cabinets. I kind of really like that. And the different colors of this quartz is crazy, quartz is crazy. Closet for your toilet, and then a nice size closet in here for your clothes. I mean, tons of space in here. I love it. All right. Welcome upstairs. My son said it's like having 2 living rooms. He's right. It's upstairs living room right here. Look at this. This could be a game room. Obviously, it could be a family room if you wanted to, you know, where you can have, you know, TV or something like that. But man, what could you do with this? Ping pong tables maybe? Maybe pool table? I don't know. The options are endless. But let's go to this room first. Upstairs room, nice size. You can fit probably a queen in here comfortably if you really wanted to. But I love the way I have it decorated. It makes you really want to buy this home. All right, let's go here. You got the bathroom to the left right here. Once again, in here, quartz countertops, dual quartz countertops, tile floor, shower tub combo. I love that for all the people up here. And let's go in here. Like I said, there's a realtor event going on right now, so there's a lot of people gonna be coming in. So I'm glad we got to do this first, but look how big this room is. And it got a cool little spot where you put like a vanity, or you can make it like a computer desk or anything. And then it has its own bathroom here. It's a full bathroom. So you could be mother-in-law suite. It could be a guest bedroom, so they don't have to come out and use the bathroom out there or, you know, bother anybody. Let's go to these other rooms. All right, so now we're in the last bedroom up here. I really love this bedroom, super big. But the best thing about this bedroom, it's got the balcony out there. Look at this. Oh my goodness, right? Great balcony. You have views. If you're in another part of the neighborhood, you get views to all, see what everybody's doing. But man, what a gorgeous house this is. I really like it. So that's the Stonebrook from Pulte Homes in the Waterways. If you have a question about this home or any Pulte home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.